My name is Asad Yaqub and I'm your speaking examiner. Let's take a start. How often do you go out with your friends?
Well, mostly I go with my friends, especially for playing cricket, and sometimes we go for a picnic, and we like to cook there ourselves and enjoy with friends mostly.
Okay, that's good. So just overcome these pauses. You closed your eyes, you were thinking, okay, what to say and all that. Don't worry, you'll be fine. Okay, it's just the beginning. Okay, let's move. You should wear your mask, please. In actual test, there is one thing. One of my students recently appeared in IELTS. He complained examiner was wearing mask and then the shield and then there was a glass in the middle. I was sitting almost there. Examiner was here. So I couldn't understand many questions and as a result, I failed to answer well. So you need to get used to it. Another lady from UAE, she complained whenever I was speaking, my mask was going down. You know this happens. The mask is going and examiner was saying, pull it up, pull it up. And then she said, I got puzzled. Again and again I was doing it. So she said, please sir, give my message to your students to wear a new mask. Okay, she said, okay, something like that. So you need to get used to all these things, right? Okay, let's go on. Do you prefer to have few close friends or a large gathering of friends?
No, I prefer few friends who are your close friends with whom you can express all the feelings of your hearts, your circumstances, and who can help you in every field of life when you are in difficulty. I think true friend will be able to help you.
Okay, hearts is not correct. Heart, close to your heart.
Yes.
Right. How often do you make new friends?
I don't like to make new friends so quickly. I like to spend times with my old friends. I keep relations with new peoples, but the friends are my old friends. Yes.
Okay. All right. That's fine. So just focus the question and give an interesting answer and take full interest in the question. Right, in last answer at the end you just left it. Yes. So just take full interest and answer every question attentively with full attention, full interest and speak excitedly. That is important.
10 years ka gap graduation.
Don't worry about that, huh?
Okay.
You want to go or not?
Inshallah next time.
Inshallah, it will be better. Now we move on to speaking part 2.
Yes, sir.
And your topic is describe a time when you needed to use your imagination. So please, you can start.
It's 5 years ago when I was
You can take a look at your notes as well. Please start again.
It's 5 years ago when I was going to my uncle's home to visit. It was winter time, and when I reached the stop has left the station, and there was nothing for me except waiting. I waited there for 1 hour and the next bus came. And when the next bus came, people were too much and the bus started early, and we were going. When the way was 15 minutes away from our destination, the engine of the bus stopped suddenly. Everyone was feared what happened with it, and
okay, don't worry. You spoke for 40 seconds only. In actual test, I would recommend you to speak as long as you are interrupted by the examiner. If examiner says enough, then you should stop. And during that, I found mistakes like stop. It should be stop, bus stop. And then you said too much people. You should have said so many people,
so many.
Yes. Okay. And then you said I waited for 1 hour.
1 hour.
1 hour. Okay. Then you said engine stopped. Engine broke down.
Broke down.
Yeah. Stop is not the right word for engine. Broke down. And then there were the pauses. Now let's move on with speaking part 3. Do you think adults can have lots of imagination? And by the way, your answer was irrelevant to the topic. Another important thing. Because the topic is describe a time when you needed to use your imagination. Now in this story where you used imagination, it was unclear. Okay, so you should relate to the topic as well. Anyways, do you think adults can have lots of imagination? Do you think imagination is necessary for scientists?
Yes, I think the imagination is necessary for scientists.
Okay, don't worry. So next time, prepare yourself. These are the books, these are the questions. Read the questions, just see how you are going to answer. Don't worry, it will take some time and gradually you will be fine. Okay?
ठीक है sir.
All right, thank you. I don't give you the band score, I'll just write it here.